From the slow creak of bullock carts to the swift hum of bullet trains, the story of public transportation in India is a tale of transformation, innovation, and resilience. This journey through time reflects the changing face of India, a nation that has grown, adapted, and thrived on the move. Join us as we explore the evolution of public transportation in India, from its humble beginnings to its modern marvels. Transportation in ancient India was deeply intertwined with the land and its people. The earliest modes of transport were simple but effective: bullock carts, chariots, and boats that navigated the country's vast rivers. These methods were the lifelines of trade and communication, connecting distant villages and cities across the subcontinent. India's extensive network of trade routes, such as the famous Silk Route and the Grand Trunk Road, were vital in linking the subcontinent with the rest of the world. These routes facilitated not only the exchange of goods but also the flow of ideas, culture, and innovation, laying the groundwork for the transportation system to come. The arrival of British in India marked a significant shift in country's transportation landscape. The colonial rulers recognized the need for efficient transport system to exploit India's resources and connect its vast territories. This led to the construction of India's first modern infrastructure, railways, roads, and ports that would revolutionize the way people and goods moved across the country. In 1853, India witnessed a historic moment, the first train journey from Bombay to Thane. This marked a beginning of an era of rapid expansion of the railway network, which soon became the backbone of Indian economy. The railways brought distant regions closer, facilitated trade, and played a crucial role in freedom movement, symbolizing unity in a diverse nation. The British also introduced motor vehicles and trams, further transforming urban transportation. Cities like Calcutta and Mumbai became hubs of activity, with trams weaving through their streets and cars and buses beginning to replace traditional modes of transport. With independence in 1947 came the monumental task of nation building. The new government recognized the critical role of transportation in uniting the newly independent country and driving its economic development. The focus was on expanding the road and rail networks, making public transportation accessible to all. The Indian government embarked on an ambitious plan to construct national highways connecting major cities and industrial hubs. The Indian Railways underwent massive expansion, becoming one of the largest and busiest rail networks in the world. State-run bus services were introduced, providing affordable and reliable transportation to millions of people across the country. These developments brought about a significant change in the lives of ordinary Indians. Public transportation became the lifeblood of the nation, enabling people to travel for work, education, and leisure, and fostering a sense of unity and connectivity across the country. As India's cities grew and urbanization accelerated, the need for efficient urban transportation became more pressing. The answer came in the form of metro systems, rapid transit networks designed to ease congestion and provide fast, reliable transport in crowded urban areas. The Delhi Metro, inaugurated in 2002, was a game changer. It set new standards for public transportation in India with its punctuality, cleanliness, and efficiency. The success of the Delhi Metro inspired other cities to develop their own metro systems, transforming the way millions of urban residents commute daily. But metros are just one part of the urban transport ecosystem. Buses, auto rickshaws, and now app-based ride-sharing services like Ola and Uber continue to play vital roles in the daily lives of urban dwellers, providing last-mile connectivity and flexible transport options. Despite these advancements, public transportation in India faces significant challenges: overcrowding, pollution, traffic congestions, and need more sustainable and inclusive transport options. The growing population and rapid urbanizations have strained existing infrastructure, demanding innovative solutions. India is rising to these challenges with a wave of new projects and technologies. Electric buses, bike sharing systems, and smart city initiatives are paving the way for a greener, more efficient future. The planned bullet train network promises to revolutionize long distance travel, connecting major cities at unprecedented speeds. These innovations are not just about speed or technology, they are about creating a transportation system that is sustainable, accessible, and capable of meeting the needs of a growing nation. The journey of India's public transportation is far from over. It's evolving, adapting, and looking forwards the future with optimism. From ancient pathways to high speed corridors, the evolution of public transportation in India is a story of continuous change and progress. It's a journey that reflects the resilience and ingenuity of Indian people who have always found ways to move forward no matter the challenges. As India continues to grow and modernize, its transportation system will play a crucial role in shaping its future. The road ahead is filled with possibilities, and with every new innovation, the journey becomes a little smoother, a little faster, and a little closer to the vision of a truly connected India. Thank you for watching.